Well, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to Master English with Mr. Grant, and today we back to the next skill. That's it's sentenced with inverted subjects and a verb. It is a little bit easy if you master to be, to do, and to have. Okay, or and as well as modal, like be, is, are, was, were when we use it, and when we use it do, did, does, and when you say have, has, had, and could, will, wish, and etc. Subject, look at in verb. Yeah, in verb, subject and a verb are inverted in a variety of situation in English. Inverted subject and a verb occur most often in the formation of equation. The form equation with helping verb blah blah blah. The subject and helping phrase as invert. For example, he can go to the movie. We want to invert this to be question, so that we put can in front of it or behind. Okay, can he go to the movie? You would tell me the truth. Okay, we put behind so that it will be questioned, like this one. It was sick yesterday. Okay, was she sick yesterday? Why they use was, because sick is adjective. That's why we used be. Okay, to form a question when there is no helping verb in the sentence, the helping verb do is used. Okay, if there is no helping verb is word, we use do. For example, he goes to the movie. So we don't put here in front of, but we change to be does. Does he go to the movie? You told me the truth. So we don't put here in front of, but which we use to do. That's it, did, because this one is past participle. Past participle of do is did. You told me the truth, and we have to use infinitive of verb 1 if we want to use to do, to does, and to did in the question. Okay, well, invert skill 15. Invert the subject and the verb with the question word. I have explained this one, yeah, and look at this one. Also, these words can join together two clauses, and in this case the subject and the verb that follow are not inverted. We can't invert if we used two clauses. It's this one, the function as a connector, like this. Yeah, I don't know what the homework is. If this one statement not question, we put the first is subject and directly the verb we. But if questioned, okay, you have to make it different. Yeah, what is the question and where is the statement? Okay, where are you going? Verb be first and the subject. Modal first, subject. Verb be first and a subject. But this one is subject and a be. Okay, when subject and a be. Okay, subject and a be. Okay, well, we can look at the example. The lawyer asked the client why, so it's statement not question. It means that we have to put here subject and verb. Okay, this verb and subject, this verb and subject, this only verb. So the answer is C, why he did it. Okay, so the lawyer asked the client why he did it. In this example, question word why is used to connect two clauses, so a subject and a verb are needed after this connector. This is not a question, so the subject and the verb should not be in verb. If no question, we can't make it in verb. Okay, so the best answer is therefore answer C. Look at the example of this in verb. Okay, in first subject and a verb with question word, who, what, where, when, where, why, and how. When a question would introduce a question, the subject and the verb are inverted. Okay, if question, it's we invert it. Question what, we put here what, question what, and a verb be or modal or to do or to have, and we put subject. But when a question would connects two clauses and a subject and a verb, the follow are not inverted. We don't invert if there are two clauses. Okay, this one subject verb. So I know what, something's in the middle. Yeah, they are. I know what they are. Not I know what are they. It's the question. It's statement. Okay, it's very easy. Yeah. Well, back to exercise 15, and I take your book and your pen and I try to practice it. Then look at the answer of it. Okay, try to pause it and I will explain it. Well, number 1, the phone company. Why is incorrect here? Subject verb. Okay, it is tourist two clauses. It means there's connector in the middle, and of course we need subject first and a modal. So this one is subject, we have to put here, and a will be we have to put here. Is this way. Number 1 is incorrect. Number 2, why is it incorrect? Okay, this one is in the middle because connector two clauses, subject verb. Okay, this one is mean that we put subject here, we put verb here because it's attachment 2. Okay, number 3, how new students can get information about parking. It's question. Okay, so that we put question what, and we put here modal, and then new students subject. So that number 3 is incorrect. We have to change can't and new student here. We change it. Okay, number 4. Number 3 incorrect. Number 4, it's questions. So that after question there is be. Okay, good, and subject. It's mean that number 4 is correct. It's very easy. Number 5 is not questions. Okay, only the pilot subject verb. Okay, this one is connector, have to subject verb. However, it's totally incorrect. We have to put plain first and a can. So that number 5 is incorrect. Number 6 is questions. It means that we put question first. What the type of security? Okay, is question what, and this one is to do. Okay, it's signed as a question. There is a subject. This one is verb. This means that number 6 is correct. Okay, number 7. No, even it's not questioned. It means that subject verb. Okay, there is connector because there are two clauses. It means that subject verb. Okay, it means that number 7 is correct. Number 8 is questions. It means that we have to put verb first. How long? Wow, subject first. It means that it's totally incorrect. We have to put has first. Has been it since you arrived in the United States. It means that number 8 is incorrect. We should put has first and it. We change this one. Okay, number 9. The jury trials is not question chat. We have to directly look at this one. It means that there is in the middle is connected. Okay, because two clause jury trials. Subject verb. Okay, it means that number 9 is correct. Number 10. To you. Okay, this is question chat. Okay, in front of do, subject, verb. Okay, this one there is connector, is mean that if there's connector in the middle, is mean that subject first and verb. Okay, this already signed as a questions, is mean that number 10 is correct. Okay, thank you very much. This skill is very easy if you mastered to have